These guys here, they breathe. They're alive. You should always smell them. And so to me, it smells salty of the ocean, so it smells great. I'll show you how to clean these really fast. It's super easy. Normally these are farms, so normally they come clean, but they sometimes have a beard that you have to take off, and you need to make sure that they're alive. And you grab onto the beard and you push it towards this tip of the shell. Make sure that they're closed and that they're not cracked. So I know that this one's a good one. So this one, it's gonna go in the trash. Has a broken shell, that one goes in the trash. You have to cook them while they're alive. They don't have a central nervous system. And that's how you clean mussels.